You actually won't believe it.
What the f?
This AI TikTok video made over $120,000 in the last 30 days. And guess what? I also created this video using AI, but completely for free. And because I'm not selfish, I'll show you how to easily create these types of AI videos absolutely for free. And make sure to keep watching, because I've got a special guest I'm sure you will like. To get started, we need to pick a product to promote. The video I showed you at the beginning promotes this black seed oil supplement, and for some reason, promoting supplements with AI-generated videos seems to work very well. And since I prefer not to reinvent the wheel, I've also decided to stick with supplements and go with a product called Lullabites, which are gummies that help you get better sleep. The next step is to write a powerful script, since these videos feature engaging scripts that immediately capture viewers' attention, and I will show you how to do that with just one click. So first, I want you to research and find a similar style video with good engagement. And it doesn't have to be the same product, as we will only need the script. I found this video right here that I like. It's engaging and similar to what I have in mind. After finding a video, simply open a Google Doc or Notepad and write down the script. So our goal now is to use this script as a reference to craft our own. And we could do that manually, but it might take a long time. So to avoid this, I will use the following ChatGPT prompt. It starts by giving a command, which is to create a 30-second script using a similar technique, writing style, and tone to the original script, but by making sure it's not a duplicate. And then we give the bot information about the product we are promoting, such as the name, problem your product solves, ingredients, etc., etc. In my case, I visited the product's official website and gathered loads of useful info, like the ingredients and their benefits. And after using this prompt inside ChatGPT, you'll have a powerful script built on a foundation that's proven to work. And I'm actually impressed with the hook.
If you enjoy tossing and turning all night, then skip this video. But if you want better sleep and wake up like a queen, try Lullabites.
This is really good. So after we've generated the script, it's time to turn it into stunning visuals. If we look at these videos that went viral, we see they use cool-looking AI images that perfectly represent the script. So you can now manually break down the script into lines. Treat each line as a scene, and for each scene, we need corresponding visuals. For example, the first line talks about bad sleep and tossing and turning all night. So a compelling visual for this could be a woman with tired skin and dark circles under her eyes. The second scene introduces the product and its benefits. So an image of a woman waking up in the morning looking refreshed and happy would be a great fit. So simply go through the script and come up with visual ideas for each line, just as I'm showing you here. But the question is, how can we turn these ideas into actual images? Normally, I would use tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney, but for this video, we need a free option. And the best one, in my opinion, is Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. This tool is 100% free and uses DALL-E, which is the same generator used in the paid ChatGPT version. And it's actually super simple. Basically, type your prompt here in this box and hit the Create button to get nice-looking images. Here are some of the prompts I used for your reference. An ultra-high-definition 3D image of a woman sleeping peacefully through the night. An ultra-high-definition 3D image of a woman holding a bottle of sleep gummies, looking pleased and satisfied in a cozy living room scene. A woman practicing yoga and mindfulness in a beautiful nature setting. An ultra-high-definition 3D image of a woman waking up in the morning looking refreshed and happy. So at this point, you should have a complete story with different scenes and compelling visuals for each one, which means it's time to generate the voiceover. Go to 11labs.io. In the settings, select Adam's voice, which is popular in these viral videos. After that, paste your video script into the text box right here and click on Generate Speech. And just like that, your voiceover should be ready to download. And let me tell you, the final video turned out mind-blowing. So at this point, you should have a folder that includes everything: a powerful script, stunning visuals,
and the most popular voice on earth.
This means it's time to put everything together to create the best looking video possible. But of course, for 100% free. And there's no better option to do so than using CapCut. However, guys, I won't be the one showing you how to do it. So let's all welcome Professor Profit.
Alright guys, here's the way. Creating videos with CapCut is easy, I say. First, open CapCut, a new project to create. Set it for TikTok, and don't be late. Import your voiceover, drag it to the timeline, and remove the silent parts to keep it fine. The silent parts are now gone, so viewers stay engaged. This is important. Don't skip this stage. Next, bring in your images ready to go. Add them to the timeline and watch them flow. Align each image with your voiceover and make it neat. Precision here will make your video look sweet. And include footage of the product. That's the aim. Use online images or TikTok clips in the frame and give the creator credit. Don't forget, respect goes a long way. That's a safe bet. So the voiceover and visuals are now perfectly aligned. You're almost done, my friend. It's all combined. Click Transitions. Drag and drop with flair. Engaging viewers. Keeping them there. But you know what's even more engaging? Captions indeed. Let's add those too. Follow my lead. Click on text and choose Auto Captions. It's quick, and in seconds, CapCut will work its magic trick. Then pick the style and color that feels just right. Your video is now all set, ready to export, shining bright. Now back to you, 10X. Your feedback is key. How did the video turn out? Let us all see.
All right, Professor, thanks for the great explanation. But now let's check out how the video turned out.
If you enjoy tossing and turning all night, then skip this video. But if you want better sleep and wake up like a queen, try Lullabites. These sleep gummies are super easy to use and work fast. They contain valerian root to calm your mind, L-theanine to reduce stress, magnesium to enhance sleep, and 5-HTP to boost serotonin. You'll fall asleep quickly, stay asleep longer, and wake up refreshed. Check out the TikTok shop link below and grab yours before your sleepless nights get any worse.
This is truly impressive, and considering that every step of this process was done for free, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Find a reference video with good engagement and write down its script. Then head to ChatGPT and use it as a reference to create your own version for your product. Split the script into scenes, and for each scene, come up with visual ideas. Then turn these ideas into actual images using Microsoft Designer. And once that is done, head to 11 Labs to generate the voiceover. Finally, put everything together inside CapCut to create the best looking video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.